Hi everyone, Sumit Chandra this side, and I welcome you to our channel Solution Bridge Network and one-stop solution for all your Power Platform tutorials. In today's video, we will discuss about how to manage many-to-many relationship or how to handle multiple fact tables in a data model. This is a very common situation for every developer. In many projects, we need to handle this type of scenario. And if you are planning to face any interview, then this will be a common question from the interviewer side. So, first, let's understand the problem statement. Then, we will discuss how to handle this scenario. I first show you the data models. This is my model view. You can see we have three tables: sales, target, and calendar. Our sales and target table is connected with many to many relationship, and you can see the filter direction is set both ways. So our sales table can filter target table and our target table can filter our sales table. Also you can see our sales and target table is connected with calendar table with one to many relationship, but the relationship of sales and calendar table is inactive. We can't activate this relationship. If we activate this relationship, we need to inactivate the relationship between sales and target table. So this is not a accurate data model. Now let's see our table structure. So let's move to table view. In table view, this is our calendar table and we have date, month and year. This is our sales table and we have product ID, month and sales. This is the last table, that is our target table, and we have again product ID, month, target. Now let's go to report view. So first we need to identify the problem statement. If we have many to many relationship, what is the exact issues that we are facing? To understand it easily, I have created four different tables. So our first table is sales table. We have taken product ID and sum of sales. Both the columns are coming from our sales table. The next one is our target table, and in target table also we have product ID and sum of target. We are taking both the columns from our target table. I created these two tables for reference purpose. We want a single table where we need to show the product ID, sum of target and sum of sales. To achieve this, I have created this third table. And in this table, we have taken product ID and sales from sales table and target from target table. Also, you can see the total target of this table is matching with target table's total amount, and sum of sales total is also matching with sales table. But if you go row by row, as we have taken product ID from sales table, so here we are getting the unique product ID from the sales table. You can see in this table product ID P006 is missing. For product ID P006, we define target. But as the product ID P006 is not available in sales table, that's why in this table we are not getting product ID P006. So from this table, we can't achieve our desired outcome. Now, what alternative option we have? For that alternative option, I created the fourth table, and in this table, I have taken product ID and target from target table and sales from sales table. Here also, we have the similar issues. Though our total numbers are matching, but you can see in this table, we have product ID from P001 to P011 as we are taking this from target table. So in target table we have this product ID and you can see P012 is missing in this table. So we don't have the sales value for P012. Either way we are not getting the desired result. Now let's discuss about the solution. So to manage this type of situation or scenario, We can create a bridge table. Our bridge table will be the combination of sales and target table, and this is the most effective, easiest, and time saving option to deal with this situation. So let's see it on action, how we create the bridge table and how we can achieve the desired result. To create the bridge table, we need to go to transform data. Again, we need to click on transform data. The Power Query editor will open. Sales table is already selected here. Now we need to click on append queries. After that, append queries as new. Append query dialog box will appear. First table is already selected. We need to select our second table, that is target table. Click on OK. I rename the table name as product table. In the newly created product table, we don't require other columns. We just need product ID. So let's go to choose columns. We need to unselect all columns and select the product ID. Click on OK. A new step will be added and we have product ID only. As we append the data from sales and target table, here we have duplicate product IDs. And we're going to use this column as a primary key. So we need to remove all the duplicate values here. I right click here and click on remove duplicates. Now we have unique product IDs. Let's click on close and apply. It will load in a data model. Now our product table has been created. We need to go to model view again. We don't require the relationship between product and target table now. So let's select this relationship and delete this relationship. Let's move the product table here. You can see it's auto detected the relationship. So we have the active relationship of product ID from product table to sales table. And we have another relationship from product table to target table by using product ID column. But you can see this relationship is inactive as of now. So to activate this relationship, you need to select this relationship, expand these properties and enable this option. Make this relationship active. Apply changes. So now we have one to many relationship from product table to sales table and product table to target table. In similar way, we will activate the relationship between sales and calendar table. This is the accurate data model for handling this type of situation. Are both fact tables connected with the dimension table, that is product table, and calendar table. Now let's go to report view page. We will create a new table. So I click on visualization and select table visual. We will take the product ID from product table, target from target table, and sales from sales table. Here you can see we have all the product IDs. Against those product IDs, if we define any target, we have the target amount, and if we have any sales amount against those product IDs, we have the sales amount as well. So this is the ultimate output that we wanted to achieve. This is the most effective way to deal this type of scenario. Let us know if you have any queries in our chat section. Also let us know if you handle this type of scenario by using different approach. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon for the new video alerts.